Hi, welcome to Umar Softwares. In this video, I will tell you how to use Python in NetBeans IDE. Before following the procedure in this video, Python must be installed in your system. To find the path of Python in Windows, go to Start menu, All Apps or All Programs and find Python. Here, right-click the IDE Python, click on More and click on Open File Location. Here, right-click on IDE and click on Open File Location. Now you have to copy the path of this folder actually. We will be pointing to this python.exe when we are setting the path in NetBeans. If you are in Linux, you should know where you installed Python, and if it came pre-installed, its path will most probably be usr/bin/python3 as in my case. The next step is to download the Python plugin for NetBeans. Follow the link in the video description and it will lead you to this page. Here you can click the download button to download the plugin for NetBeans. I have already downloaded the plugin. Here is the downloaded file. The next step is to extract this. You have to remember the path of the folder where you extracted because we will need it in the upcoming steps. So I have extracted it in this folder. After this, open NetBeans, go to Tools, Plugins, and then go to the Downloaded tab. Here, click on Add Plugins. Now you have to navigate to the folder where you extracted the plugin. So here is the folder where I extracted the plugin. You have to select all these files. Click on any one of the file and then use Shift+Down to select all. OK, after selecting all, you will click on OK. Note that all these files are selected. Then click on Install. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Install. Click Continue. Now select the option Restart the IDE now and click on Finish. After the IDE restarts, you have to enter the Python path. Click on New Project. Select Python project, click Next. Now here you have to select the path of Python. Click on Manage. Here click on New. Now you have to navigate to the folder where Python is located. After selecting the required file, click OK. Here you will see the details of Python. Click Close. Now you can see that the Python version is selected here. Click Finish. So here is your first Python project in NetBeans. You can test it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.